Come on, elevating Forex, where are all those win streaks you had? This is break-even week. For this week, looks like we are at the negative 46%. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's the 6th week of monitoring the Elevating Forex Telegram channel. The previous month was very profitable. Previous week was not too good. Let's see what this week has to offer for us. If you are new to this channel, my name is Alex. So far at this point, I am reviewing the Telegram copy trading channels. So if you are into this kind of stuff, make sure you leave a like, comment and subscribe. I will try to keep this video a bit shorter. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into business. Okay, so let's check Monday. There were two signals on Monday. First one dropped at 11:16 p.m. Let's check that one out first. 9th of June, the signal dropped at 13:16 p.m. We have entry level at 316, and as you can see at 53 p.m. they've claimed that they have hit the stop loss, and on this trade we have lost 0.17%. And the second trade was at 4:18 p.m. And the second trade, June 9th, Monday, 16:18 p.m. The trade looks like this. The take profit 1 and 2 level, and at 5:25 they've hit take profit 2 level, which is where we close as always. As you can see, the risk to reward ratio as always is a bit off, but whatever, we've made 0.11% on that trade. Okay, so Tuesday, June 10th, they dropped another signal for Bitcoin at 9:41 a.m. Okay, this is how that trade looks like. So we have stop loss at this price point. We are entering at this level at 9:41 a.m. At 2:31 p.m. they have claimed to have hit take profit 1 level, which they did. And even though they haven't mentioned in the group, I can see that they have managed to hit take profit 2 level. So since I am closing down everything on take profit 2, I can consider this a good trade. So for this day, 0.36% was made. Okay, to be fair, in Telegram, when I saw that only take profit 1 level was hit, I really thought without looking at the charts that the price bounced back and hit the stop loss. But it didn't. Okay, let's see what now Wednesday has to offer us. Okay, so on Wednesday there was two signals. The first one was dropped at 11:29 a.m. Let's look at that one first. So Wednesday, 11th of June, 11:29 a.m. they've dropped this signal, and as you can see, none of the take profit levels was hit, and we had a stop loss trigger. So we had lost on this trade 0.22%. So trade 1 minus 0.23%. Trades taken 1. Profitable trades 0 on that one. So the second trade on that day was at 4:55 p.m. So Wednesday, 11th of June at 4:55 p.m. This is how this trade looks like. 3 minutes later at 58, they had hit take profit 1 level, but as you can see from the chart, the take profit 2 was never reached, and this trade was not even ever mentioned on their Telegram channel. So if I had waited it out, I would have hit the stop loss, bringing me down to minus 0.22%. Come on, elevating Forex, where are all those win streaks you had the previous months? Anyway, let's check out the next day, Thursday. Okay, June 12th, on Thursday, there was two signals. So let's check out the first one first. Okay, so 12th of June, Thursday at 9:09 a.m. This is how this trade looks like. And as you can see, we had hit a stop loss for that one. So we've lost again 0.13% on that day. And the second trade for that day dropped at 12:10 p.m. It looks like this. So second trade, Thursday, 12th of June, this is how this trade looks like. As you can see, we hadn't hit the stop loss. We've closed down take profit 1 and take profit 2 marks, and we even had reached take profit 3. But as always, I'm closing down on 0.13%. So for this trade, we had made 0.13%. Trades taken 1 and profitable trades 1. Okay, so for this week, looks like we are at the negative. Perhaps the Friday can save us. Let's check it out. Okay, so Friday, 30th of June, they dropped a signal at 10:49 a.m. 13th of June, 10:49 a.m. this trade looks like this. So as you can see, we hadn't hit the stop loss. We've reached take profit 1 first, then we've reached take profit 2, and we also at some point reached take profit 3, but as always we closed down at take profit 2, leaving us with 0.15% for this day. 15%, trades taken 1, profitable trades 1. Okay, so let's see how I did in the Excel sheet. Okay, so this is break-even week. Total profit net loss for this week is 0. Overall win ratio for this week is 50%. Total trades taken so far this month was 15. 7 of those were profitable. So far for this month, win percent ratio is 46%. This is where we were at the beginning of the week with 3.3% capital growth. Anyways guys, that's it for this week. I hope you found this video useful. If you like these types of videos, please leave a like, subscribe and comment. It means a lot. I have more videos and more groups coming in, so make sure you won't be missing that. I will see you in the next week. Bye.